35 most common verbs in English. B. I'm 8 years old. My brother is 10. Have. I have a yellow pencil. Do. She's doing her homework now. Go. He's going outside. Come. He's coming home. Want. She's hungry. She wants a sandwich. Say. He says hi. Talk. They're talking together. Ask. He's asking her a question. No. I don't know the answer. See. She can see the butterfly with a magnifier. Hear. She says, I don't hear you. Louder, please. Give. She's giving a gift. Get. He's getting the gift. Use. I use my phone every day. Take. She's taking a taxi. Make. She's making a handicraft. Like. He really likes his dog. Help. They're helping their grandpa. Need. We need money. Please help us. Read. I read a book every night. Write. She's writing a story now. Listen. I love listening to music. Walk. He always walks to school. Watch. They watch TV at 6 p.m. Eat. We're eating pizza and spaghetti tonight. Drink. She drinks milk every morning. Cook. He can cook delicious food. Sleep. He sleeps at night. Play. They're playing with a ball. Work. She works 6 hours a day. Start. They want to start running. Finish. They finished running. Teach. The teacher is teaching English. Learn. The students are learning English. These are the most common verbs in English. Can you make a sentence with each?